Malaysia, a country known for its vibrant culinary culture, thrives on its diverse use of spices. But did you know that despite being a spice-producing nation, Malaysia heavily relies on imports to meet its growing demand? By 2031, the Malaysian spice market is expected to grow from $18.2 billion in 2023 to an impressive $26.12 billion. With an anticipated consumption of 160,000 metric tons by 2028, the demand for spices continues to rise steadily. Black pepper leads the way, with Malaysia importing $167 million worth in 2022-23. Other top imports include chilies, turmeric, cumin, and cardamom. Major importers like Writers Company Inc., Reza Mokhtar Enterprise, HK Spice Company, and RTS Maju Global Trading. Globally, Malaysia ranks as the 13th largest spice importer, sourcing primarily from India, Vietnam, and Pakistan. From enhancing flavors in traditional dishes to supporting the growing food processing sector, the spice import industry is vital for Malaysia. If you're curious to know more about spice imports and trade data, visit exportimportdata.in for detailed insights.